Hey guys, we are out here in beautiful nature. It's so important to get outside. It's so important to ground barefoot and just really feel your feet on the ground, connecting with Mother Nature. Just really feel, make that mind-body connection. Brings you back to the present moment. And just really appreciate how precious life is, how precious nature is, and it's just beautiful. I have been making it part of my routine to at least go out into nature and ground at least once a week, right? Because day-to-day activities can just be so heavy and so stressful, and all the energy I'm absorbing and just talking to so many different people carries so much different energy. So make it a point to, just ground. Release all that energy, that negative energy. And I'm probably gonna hug a tree next because trees are full of positive energy and they absorb your negative energy. So anything that you're carrying, the tree absorbs it. Okay, so like go hug a tree, okay? But it's a new month, so it's just like setting new intentions and like, what do you want to do? Who do you want to be? And really embody that. Okay, so I said to go hug a tree. Get any tree and just really hug it like you would your best friend or your dog or any of your family, because we are part of Mother Nature. Kisses.